this tutorial I will show you how to create this long exposure effect in Photoshop. First of all, open your image and this image link is in description. Select the subject using any selection tool of your favorite. I have already selected the subject. Duplicate this image by pressing Ctrl J. Name the layer if you want. Go to filter, blur, motion blur. Increase around 780 pixels. Then click OK. Right click and choose blending options. Channel layer, turn off the OR channel, then click OK. Duplicate the motion blur layer, put it on top, then change the blending mode. Choose overlay. Decrease the opacity. This is the final result and thanks for watching.